Bird's Eye Maple Vanity. We did get the top done, all the stuff on top of it, because every time we have a place to put stuff, we will put it. Still have to sand some, but it's getting there. It's got blue everywhere. It had blue even inside the drawers.
Blue, green,
and then
yellow.
a yellow on
was
top.
the original color.
Yellow was the original color, and then they're just, you know. So we still have some sanding to do, but we are a lot further along than it was. And yeah, they even painted inside the drawers and inside the vanity, and isn't that fantastic? Not.